We're going to make chapati today. I'm going to use this. I bought this at the Indian store in Tokyo. So it says whole wheat flour. So just about a cup of whole wheat flour. And here I am using the Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt. So half a teaspoon of this is enough actually, but you can use more or less if you are conscious about health, about using salt. Will Himalayan salt have its benefits? But I think less than half teaspoon I will add in here. You can mix this together first. Mix the salt and the flour. And then here we're going to add some ghee. You can add some oil or ghee, whatever you like. But I think I have heard that ghee is more having this great benefit for health. So I'm adding like 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon of ghee or oil, whatever you have. And then we were going to add water in this. I'm using this mineral water. You can use tap water, whatever you have. So we can add in here gradually because we don't need our dough will be very soft. So some flour might be having different texture, so it depends how much water quantity we can add in our flour. So just keep adding gradually until we can make some dough. We are about to get the quantity we need. Just a little bit more. I think this is fine. Little knead. We just need to knead the dough for a little while. It doesn't need to knead like we are baking some bread, like you have to knead until it gets smooth. No, we don't need that. Just like this, when you press, it gets marked like that, but it doesn't stick to your finger. So this is done. Now we just let it rest like 15 to 20 minutes. So drop some ghee on top. Like that. And then just let it rest. Like 15 to 20 minutes. So we made it rest like 20 minutes. And I prepare this dry flour. We are going to need this for rolling this thing. So here we can divide this one. Depends on how much we need from here, from this dough. Depends on the size you want. To use knife. I'm just making maybe we can make like 8, right? From here. 8 pieces of chapati. So just make like a ball. Press it like this and then apply some flour so it will not stick to the rolling pin. I hope you can see. It doesn't need to be a perfect shape. But it will be good if you are able to roll it thinner, as thin as you can. I think this is okay. So this much thin I made. This is how the size of it. So I will make all and put here in a dish. So ready to bake ang atong chapati. So nagpainit na ta sa atong kaha, no? I am using the flat one. You can use any fry pan, whatever you have. You don't need to move it. When it is rising like this, bubbling, then we can flip it over. And then just another like 10 seconds. Now it start to come up, right? It's ready to flip. Remove, make the flame high, and then put it. So it should be like this. It's done. Now turn the flame low again, and we will put another piece. And the one we did add some ghee, we will apply another ghee here, just little, and then put like this, and do like this. So the ghee will spread. It's like that. We can flip it over. Now see, it's bubbling, it's ready to flip to the hot flame. Go, 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 go. Oh, it got hole. Like that. It's done. So this is our chapati. Muna ni siya. Muna ni. So, ano na siya, very soft. Kay niborot man siya. Munang very soft siya. Pero kung di na siya uborot, mura na siya biscuit gahi kayo. Still eatable, but mas lami yun ang soft kaonon, di ba? So, ano siya. So, pwede ni mo ni siya gamiton bilang pang shawarma gani. Okay kayo ni siya. Tangan og gulay, tangan og chicken salad unsa baron. Lami kayo ni siya. So, good luck doll sa imong next nga recipe. Kaya ni mo na.